Hello friends, today I will show you how to convert from any non-popular video format to the popular mp4 format by using Bigasoft Total Video Converter that is already installed on my system. I have one video file. I will show you the properties of that video file. You can see the type of this file is .web.m, which is non-popular. I will show you how to convert this video to the popular mp4 format, and you know very well that YouTube channel recommends that mp4 format as well. So there are two things to be seen in this video. One is this format and the other is the size of this video file, which is 93.5 MB. After the conversion it will be converted to mp4 and the size also will be reduced. So let me start. Bigasoft Total Video Converter version 5 is a very good and very wonderful software, very useful software. There are 4 steps involved. Just click add file. If you want to trim the file, you can do that. The output selection is from here. To which video format you want to convert, you can change also the output format. A lot of options are available here. So for me, I want to convert into mp4 YouTube format, so I will select this one, and this is the destination folder. So let's add the file here. As you can see, the file is being added here. There are other options are also available for this Bigasoft Total Video Converter 5. For example, if you want to trim the file means you want to make a video shorter. For example, this video is total time is 6 minutes. You want to trim, you want to cut either from the beginning, from the end, you can do that. Just move this bar, just press this scissor and then move to the location from where you want to start your video. Like this. So this blue portion will not be included in your final video. The same thing you can do from the end also. If I move this slide bar to the here, then the beginning blue portion and the end blue portion will not be the part of my video. So right now my objective is only to show you the change in the video format, so I will not do this. The other option is available, the crop option. Here you can change the size of the video like this. Let's say this is the original preview, this is the output preview. So the size, the window size can be changed from here. The image, you can increase or decrease the brightness, contrast. You can see the output file is changing. This watermark option lets you put your logo or some picture into the video. If you want to have some logo in your video, then you have to just enable this watermark and attach the picture from here. So other options are available here, effects and audio. So I will not do this one. So finally my output video format .mp4 is ready for me. I have the destination place is also marked, so just click this big button here. Now the conversion is started. Conversion is started. It's a very good software. A lot of options are available here. It will take around 4 minutes. So friends, my file conversion is nearly completed. See, it's already succeeded. I'll show you where it is. Here it is. Now let me compare the properties of both the files. This was my original file and this is the converted file. You can see here the format .web.m has been converted to .mp4, the popular video format on the internet. And the big thing is that you can see the size. Original size was 93.5 MB. Now it has been reduced to 15 MB. So the format, the non-popular format, has been converted to the popular format and the size has been reduced to 15 MB from big file size to small file size. Now this video format you can use easily on YouTube, on your websites, and you can use this video format also in other softwares for the editing purposes. Okay, thank you for watching.